Welcome to this tutorial on configuring Line login for your website. To get started, visit the Line Developers portal and click on Console in the top navigation bar. Once inside the developer console, click on Create a new provider. Enter your provider name and click Create. Now, under the Channel section, select Create a Line login channel to begin configuring your login application. On the channel creation page, choose your country or region from the drop-down menu. Click Register under Channel icon to upload your application logo. Next, enter your channel name and add a brief description in the channel description field. Note that Line does not allow reserved terms like line in the channel name, so make sure to use a distinct name. Under App Types, check the Web App option. Scroll down to provide your privacy policy URL and terms of use URL. Review and check the agreement box for the Line Developers Agreement. And click Create. Your channel will now be created. Switch to the Line Login tab at the top. Under Line Login Settings, locate the Callback URL field and click Edit. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Social Login Settings. Open the Line Configuration tab and copy your callback URL. Return to the Line Developers console, paste the link into the callback URL field, and click Update. To make the channel live, click the Developing Status button next to your channel title and confirm by clicking Publish. Switch back to the Basic Settings tab. Here you will find your channel ID and channel secret, which you can copy and add to your website social login settings. Finally, scroll down to the OpenID Connect section. Beside email address permission, click Apply. Check both required policy checkboxes. Upload a screenshot or image showing user consent, and click Submit. The email permission is now applied, and your Line login setup is complete. Thank you for watching.